This is my project. It's a remote control plane, has an FPV camera on it. So these goggles, you can see what's going on through that camera while you're flying it. Then control over all of your surfaces with the controller there. Now it's made entirely out of foam board, so I can make an entire other plane just out of this board right here. It's just completely from scratch, just cut and folded and glued. Well, it's just a simple transmitter, so you have the camera, there's a board inside of the plane, and then it's transmitting from there. The goggle receives it on these antennae, and you see it right there. And then it's just the opposite here, this transmits, and this receives. And should be able to get 10 to 15 minutes of flight time.